No, look down. Look up. Look straight, please. Do you feel pain?
No.
Okay. Now I draw. Look up. And look straight. Little bit. And then washing your eye.
No. Big. Don't touch. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Şimdi Orkun Hoca düşünsün. Orkun Hoca düşünsün. Gitsin yanına da yine 3 kişi.
Okay.
Now washing your eye. Down. Look up. Okay, look straight.
Bacaklarını hafif bu tarafa doğru çevirin. Biraz daha. Please focus on the light. The light is coming here. Yes, it is difficult to look at the light. Biraz yükseltelim. Okay, now. Yes, we are starting now. You can see here also. Now we enter into eye, incision. Again, second incision. Very good. Now we feel viscoelastic material. And the main incision from marking here. We enter into your eye. Now we will open capsule of your lens. Are you okay? Any problem? Okay. Okay.
Down.
Yes. Now you may feel a little bit pressure because we inject a liquid in your eye. A little bit. Yes. This is your lens. And now we are straightening with advice. Yes, now you may feel a little bit pressure.
Continuous irrigation on. Continuous irrigation off.
Again we try.
Continuous irrigation on.
Yes, now.
Senin bu çok da bazen oyun oluyor. Ya şeyde aynen.
Giriş bıçak. Now we are aspirating your crystalline lens. Bakalım şöyle.
Vacuum 340, 290.
Yes, we aspirate the nucleus. Now we will aspirate cortex part of lens and then insert our lens. Now we are washing.
Irrigation aspiration.
Okay.
Continuous irrigation on.
Irrigation aspiration now. Yes, you may feel a little bit pressure.
Continuous irrigation off.
Changing hands.
Continuous irrigation on.
This is cortex. Şey yapıyoruz. Yes. Lens açalım.
21 numara Clareon Panoptix Trifocal.
Evet. And the last part. Okay.
Continuous irrigation off.
Now we will inject lens in his eye. Now we are injecting viscoelastic material. Last 2-3 minutes. Yes, lens is entering your eye. This is a little bit uncomfortable. Now I'm injecting. This is trifocal lens. Are you okay? Last 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
The lens is in your eye now. Now I close my main incision here with stromal hydration, like this. Okay. Now we clean viscoelastic material with aspiration. You may feel a little bit pressure.
Irrigation on.
Okay, I'm closing the other incisions. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute.
Height 50. Continuous irrigation off.
Yes, a little bit pressure decrease. Okay. You will see viscoelastic.
Bottle height 110. Segment removal.
Sıra dayanır mısın versin?
I am washing the viscoelastic material.
Continuous irrigation on.
Okay.
Bottle height 105.
Now antibiotic injection and we finish.
Yeter.
Antibiotic alalım. We decrease pressure.
Continuous irrigation off.
Emiden. Burada lifler kalmış ya. Bir de iyi ayarlı.
Bottle height 110.
One more thing, I want to aspirate viscoelastic with device 2 minutes.
Irrigation aspiration.
Again, aspiration.
Continuous irrigation on.
Okay, closing.
Bottle height 50. Continuous irrigation off. Bottle height 110. Segment removal.
Okay, we finished. This is air bubble, it will be gone. No problem. Okay. Everything is okay.
Okay. Oh.
Bu hastamız da şimdi geldi bana biraz katarak geldi. Bakarız ona şey yaparız. Durmadan.
Oh.
Closer.
5 minutes later.
Okay.
Are you okay? Any problem? You feel
Oh, okay. My leg.
okay.
Are you okay, man?
Okay. Take care of. Okay.
Oh. There, didn't enjoy it. Thank you.
See you.
So we'll see you Wednesday now for the other one.
No. Maybe I want to see your right eyes on Monday. I will talk to
Okay.
Hakan.
Okay.
And keep
This
open
on.
your eye
Okay.
at your hotel. Hakan abi. Otelde gözlerini açabilirler ya. Açık kalsın. Aha, aynen. Şimdi birer tane diyozomit vereceğiz. Now we give you a pill
Okay.
not to increase your eye pressure.
Okay.
And then we can go.
Fabulous. Thank you very much.
See you.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, what's occurring?